Here at KIT, we encourage our students to break all the rules, apart from these ones. Please don't use the lasers unsupervised. The Marine Biology Department's specimens are not for snacking. Don't use your hacking skills to collapse foreign economies. And finally, don't eat adult food if you're under 12 months old. Eat kitten food instead. It's formulated for your still-growing body. There you go, you little scamp. So, blaze a trail, get freaky, and think outside the box. Oh, and remember to file all plans for world domination with the appropriate department.